Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really cool indeed. Here for a quick review, I've got the Sinkevich Touch F95 from Shirogorov, and we're gonna just do a quick overview of this fella. But hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this beauty right over here, because it helps immensely for the YouTube algorithm to suggest my videos. If you enjoyed, just give me a thumbs up. Yeah, it's gonna be super helpful. So right over here we got the Sinkevich Touch F95 knife made by Shirogorov, and this is one of 50. It's a limited edition, special for the CCKS California Custom Knife Show 2021, and it's just an F95. It's a slim version of the F95 with a thinner blade, but as you can see, it's coming with a pretty cool blue anodized titanium backspacer, new clip, hidden hardware, Sinkevich Touch. I mean, this is the Sinkevich hardware that is keeping these slabs of titanium together. You're gonna need a special tool to take this guy apart, but it comes with the pouch, of course, that is this guy right over here. As you can see, it's a pretty cool one, but we're gonna check out this one in the full review. Here is just like a quick overview of this beautiful milled bronze anodized blue frame, blue anodized screws, clip, backspacer and pivot, and this gorgeous F95 M398 steel. Look at the jimping going on, this wedge, this little cut out area, this ridiculously smooth action. The detent is bonkers. It's just like extremely strong. And let's also quickly check the size, because this guy is like almost 4-inch long cutting edge on the blade, and almost like, I'd say, 5 inches for the handle, for an overall length of 8.8, let's say, inches for this beautiful iteration of the F95. Check out this wavy pattern that is just ridiculously good. Crank up that 4K and just enjoy this beautiful detail going on the handle, on the backspacer, on the clip, on the, I mean, just at the fine milling here in the cut relief, in the relief cut for the lock bar. It is a gorgeous example of how to do a pretty cool knife, guys. Look at that. Let's quickly check the weight on this fella, and let's wrap it up. The weight on this boy is gonna be, look at this, 4.28 ounces, so not too shabby. This guy holds great in the hand, snappy action, really strong detent, multi-row bearing systems. It's a joy to use. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.